You know, I have a lot of things inside every time. I have my torchlights, everything. I don't know. It's just that when I'm there, there's something will happen, and then I just need to be there. So my tools, my multi-tools, everything is there, always in my pockets. And then when my boys join me, they also start wearing like me. They also have jackets, you know. They say when even they go to the cinema, their girlfriend will tell them that, hey, you cannot see, they straight away took out the torch pump. That's it, it's so bright. Everybody start looking at that. The girlfriend says it's good to have you around because you have everything on your pocket. So my boys did share with me, they said that after joining you, I think I changed my lifestyle a little bit, you know. I have a torch. This is very important for me, and then I have a multi-tools. These are very important.
It's a Leatherman?
Yeah, Leatherman. I know, this is print out.
Oh.
Yeah. Then I have my Dango wallet, which is my money clip. This is my name card holder. And then there's a lot of tools here. Usually used for like cutting, breaking ins. It's also a self-defense tools. And there's so many tools here. A butterfly clip, you know, spanner, stand, spanner 6, seatbelt cutter, and everything. So these are some of the things that I always carry around. Of course, in a wallet, I always have a small blade knife here. This is very important because
it's no sheath. It's just like that. It's no sheath.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah. It actually comes in a whole set, but I took out because it's very useful for me. So usually I carry more than that. And I have a Luminox now.
Yes.
Alright.